Hello, this is Teeraphat,
And Marisela.
and in this PSA video, we are going to be talking about marine pollution. This issue affects ocean around the world, and it has become one of the biggest environmental problems of our time.
Our goal is to explain how marine pollution began and how it developed into the major crisis it is today, and the impact it has on the plants and animals living in the ocean. We will also share simple actions that people can take to help reduce the problem and protect these waters for future generations. With the increasing human population, this introduced unsanitary conditions which led to an exponential growth of different diseases. Humans were able to evolve and create a sewage system where it caused a boom in cities and population. These cities introduced waste from industries and factories ranging from sulfuric acid, muriatic acid, dyes, wood pulp, and animal byproducts that fell into the water. Prior to 1970, there were no laws prohibiting the dumping of waste into the oceans. However, in 1972, the Marine Protection, Research, and Sanctuaries Act prohibited all dumping of waste into the ocean. Dredging contributes to 80% of all waste dumped into the ocean. About 10% of the dredge material contains harmful materials such as heavy metals, phosphorus, and nitrogen. These materials make their way into oceans and cause marine organisms to suffer toxic effects, and in turn, seafood is contaminated. Plastic is the number one source of marine pollution. It releases heavy metals that are then ingested by marine organisms.
Today, the damage has become much worse. Scientists estimate that millions of tons of plastics and industrial waste enter the ocean every year. Currents carry this trash around the world, creating giant floating garbage patches like the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, which is larger than many countries' beaches that were once clean now collect piles of waste that wash up daily. Pollution is spreading faster than cleanup efforts can handle.
Marine plants and animals are suffering because of this pollution. Sea turtles often mistake plastic bags for jellyfish and swallow them, which can block their digestive system and cause them to starve. Birds get trapped in old fishing nets and lines, preventing them from flying or hunting. Seals and dolphins can get caught in plastic rings or ropes, leading to injuries or drowning. Fish and other small animals eat microplastics, tiny pieces of plastic that come from broken down items. These microplastics hold toxins that can harm their organs and affect their growth. Coral reefs, which are home to thousands of species, are also being damaged. Chemicals in the water can poison coral reefs, and floating trash can block sunlight that corals need to survive. When coral reefs weaken, entire ecosystems are affected.
Even though the problem is huge, there are still ways to help. Using reusable items instead of single-use plastic can reduce waste. Recycling correctly keeps trash out of waterways. Joining beach cleanups or picking up litter near water makes a difference. Support ocean conservation groups helps fund larger cleanup projects. When community works together, small action adds up and help protect the ocean for future generations. So please do that so we can all help keep this world a safe, clean, and a better place. Thank you for watching our PSA and for supporting clean, healthy oceans.